are, Steve Martin. We are riding the train at the North Carolina Transportation Museum. Playing the music, getting a hold down here. Not sure why we stopped, but momentarily we have.
Before the Southern Railway opened its Spencer shops in 1896, all that was here was farmland and trees. The town of Spencer, like the shops, was named for Samuel Spencer, the president of the railroad. Railroad workers in Spencer had a different living arrangement than textile mill workers in this part of North Carolina. Mill workers generally lived in a company house, shopped at the company store, and made less money than...
There's probably a cow on the road. We had to stop.
Utilities and store items were taken from their wages. Southern Railroad employees living in Spencer owned their own business, shopping at publicly owned...
Now we're going backwards. Must be a herd.
Railroad jobs were hard to come by, which led many employees to work between 30 and 50
Oh wow.
before retirement.
Can't do this on a plane.
Many families had several generations working at the same time at Spencer shops.
I'm gonna flip sweet seats. Hang on. It's a good thing that's not poison ivy. We are in Spencer, North Carolina, about an hour from our house in Pondville, or 45 minutes in Charlotte. I've been here before. I believe we rode the train once, so this is the second time. It's on a Thursday, so it's not too crowded. I brought my two grandsons, Jack, Blade, Levi Avalos. They are sitting right over there. They say they have been here before. I don't remember. They did say how old this train was, but I wasn't paying attention. Sorry. Very scenic view. Well, maybe not. Not right there. Hopefully you'll get a good view. Something to land here in North Carolina.
Continue our trip. You may notice two big silver tanks with the letters SR painted on the outside side of the train. Built in the 1920s, these two large water tanks hold water for fighting fires here on the site. To fill those tanks up, water had to be pumped in all the way from the active which is 4 miles away. Next to those tanks is a small red brick building. Don't let it inside because it was one of the most important buildings here at Spencer Shops. It's called the Transformer House, built in 1914. That building houses and controls all the electrical power distribution through the shops as well as through the town of Spencer. In 1990, this structure was restored, and today it is one of our restaurants.
I'm going to pan to the right.
On the right side of our train, you will see a medium-sized red brick building. That's called the Master Mechanic's Office. Built in 1911, the Master Mechanic's
There's some
Office.
of downtown Spencer.
Master Mechanic, the payroll clerk, office clerks, and the officials of the Danville division of the
Not too big of a town.
Today, it houses our administrative
Reminds me of
offices,
Cedar Falls, Iowa, where I grew up.
gift stations.
Oh, hang on, I'm going fast.
The big gray building behind the Master Mechanic's Office is believed to be the oldest building on site. It is called Warehouse Number 3. Built in 1896, it housed the Master Mechanic's Office until it moved to the MMO in 1911. From that date to this, it has continued to function as a storage facility as well as an area for special events. The last building in this line is the metal building that has all the windows in it. It is called the Flue Shop. Built in 1924, it was used to store and repair the flues of a steam engine. A flue is a tube that allows heat and smoke from the firebox to travel through the boiler, thus heating the water to make the steam to turn to locomotive fuels. A steam locomotive could have anywhere from 200 to 350 flues inside its boiler. Today, the Flue Shop houses our museum's antique automobile collection. intersection.
Yeehaw! Enjoy that music.
The next building we move to is a smaller red brick building located directly on the right side. This building is called the Oil House. It was built in 1913, and though its building size doesn't look very large, the basement alone was built large enough to hold 5 large oil tanks. Each tank will hold 52,000 gallons of oil. Every train crew was required to stop there and pick up a supply of oil before going on a main line run.
We're going fast, Clark. Like those trains have been there for a while.
And are now passing through the Spencer Freight Yard used by Norfolk Southern. There were once many
I'll let you go for now. Shalom.